to launch a fresh salvo, saying it looks like we can't even chant Jai Samvidhan. So raising objection to the controversy that broke out after Shashi Tharoor's oath-taking. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us with that update.
Well, yes, absolutely, Pratibha. We heard that sequence. Tharoor got up, said Jai Samvidhan, after which obviously the speaker had said that the oath is on constitution. Later, when Dipender Hooda got up, speaker chided him and said that please sit down, do not really give me an advice on what to say and what not, and that's the entire sequence. We'll be playing it out in the entirety as well, once again for our viewers. Meanwhile, the politics over the same. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's post, Pratibha. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra says, and I'm going to read it verbatim, quote unquote, can't Jai Samvidhan be chanted in the Indian Parliament? People in power would not stop from raising unparliamentary and unconstitutional slogans in the Parliament, but objections are being raised when an opposition MP chants Jai Samvidhan. The anti-constitution sentiment that emerged during the elections has now taken a new form which seeks to weaken our constitution, the constitution by which Parliament functions, that constitution by which every member takes oath, the constitution by which every citizen gets protection from life and livelihood. Will that be the same constitution that is going to be opposed? In simple words, क्या भारत की संसद में जय संविधान नहीं बोला जा सकता है? This one line really, Pratibha, sums up, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's sentiment. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, other Congress leaders, obviously many others have made a very similar argument on very similar lines. They are attacking really the speaker and really the centre, claiming that they're not even being allowed to chant Jai Constitution in the Parliament. BJP on the other side obviously is saying that no, that's not the case. Dipender Hooda was disrespectful towards the chair, and that's why the speaker ended up chiding him.
Okay, all right. Meenakshi, thank you for joining us. Let's take a look at the sequence of what happened in the Parliament that sparked off this entire controversy. Take a look.
किस पे आपत्ति नहीं, सलाह मत दिया करो। चलो बेटो, चलिए। जब स्पीकर सीट से खड़ा हो जाता है तो मैं माननीय सदस्यों को अवगत कराना।
All right, let's go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, explain the entire controversy to us. Jai Samvidhan was chanted by Shashi Tharoor after his oath-taking. Now the Congress leaders saying, is it wrong to even chant Jai Samvidhan?
Well, there is a particular rule, and there is a reason why there is the oath that is written that has to be taken by every member who becomes member of Parliament. And everyone has, in fact, not just Jai Samvidhan, everyone has also taken the slogan of their own leaders as well. This is also not according to the tradition. But what happened is that Mr. Shashi Tharoor, when speaking about Jai Samvidhan, there are other members from the opposition also who stood up to re-chant Jai Samvidhan, obviously trying to provoke the treasury benches, and because they have been attacking treasury benches and BJP and the government on the fact that they are not governing the country according to the constitution. Whereas the counter has also come from the BJP and also from the government that it is the Congress that has disrespected constitution when they imposed emergency, and this has become a very slugfest sort of thing between the treasury benches and the opposition, and this is exactly what had happened when Mr. Shashi Tharoor chanted Jai Samvidhan. BJP and the government also believes that the opposition is trying to misuse Jai Samvidhan slogan and trying to create a fake narrative that the country is not governed by the constitution, whereas the case is otherwise. So this actually, has provoked many people in the treasury benches, and obviously the speaker has to maintain decorum, and that is why the speaker stood up to say that, you can't do that again. And there is nothing wrong in saying Samvidhan, but with an intent to provoke other people, then it becomes a matter of, how smooth the House can function, because it can create a sort of counter from the treasury benches as well. So this is why the speaker said that you need to have decorum in place. There was nothing against Jai Samvidhan, but then everyone needs to maintain decorum, and there is a also in place when standing this.
Okay, all right. Pragya, thank you for joining us with those details. So another showdown between the opposition as well as the centre, with the Congress leaders saying it looks like now we can't even chant Jai Samvidhan, with the BJP hitting back and saying there are some rules in the Parliament. Lots expected in the coming hours.